Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about while loop. The while loop is also an entry control loop like for loop. It first checks the condition at the start of the loop, and if it's true, then it enters the loop and executes the block of statements and goes on executing it as long as the condition holds true. Let's start by creating a new file while loop. Let's copy this code from for loop, and here we will replace this for loop into while loop. First we will initialize the value of I here, and then we will replace for with while and then the condition, and this is the block of code. Then the increment, the counter, press Alt Enter and change the file name, and here is the result. So let's change inner for loop with the while loop. First we will cut the counter of I, and then we will cut this initialization from here and paste this here, and then replace for with while and the condition, and then the counter J will be here. And here is the result 1 2 3 4 5, and we will remove this line, and when we run the file, and here you can see the result. So that's the difference of for and while loop. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.